In this video, we are going to be going through the WordPress interface, and we are going to be understanding each and every element on the WordPress interface. And also, we are going to be installing some plugins that will add more functionality to our website so that we can start building our website easily. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola Oshmayewa and I'm the mayor of Mayor Concept. And this is the Module 5 of our freeway design course. Yes, this is what I do here on this channel. On this channel, I empower people with the necessary skills that they need to start making money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified that immediately I drop similar videos like this on my channel. So in the last module, we installed a WordPress website properly. All right. And in this module, I'm going to be showing you around WordPress. We're going to be diving in and checking on each element and familiarizing ourselves with it, because this is what we'll be using to start to build our website. All right. And also, I'm going to be showing you additional plugins that you can, use to add functionality to your website to make it more and more easier to develop. So without further ado, let's dive right in. All right. So this is our WordPress interface right here. All right. So to get onto your WordPress interface, you can just log into your Cpanel, all right, or go to the Harmon Web section if you're using Harmon Web as your host hosting provider. So what you just need to do is just to go over there and just log into your WordPress dashboard. So if you can't find any of these, just go to your mail where they sent you your Cpanel details. I'm logging to your Cpanel and logging to Softaculous, which is your WordPress. Or you can easily go to your website /admin. Yes, go to your website. Maybe like your website name is www.mayor.com.ng. So you just have to go to www.mayor.com.ng/admin and you have access to your WordPress website. Then you log in and you get to this dashboard immediately. So now here is the dashboard. Dashboard is dashboard, all right? So this is where you see all the dashboard of your WordPress, all right? So you can easily come here and, you can see this. This is the home. You can visit your site and check how it's doing, all right? So we have the home and we have the update button. Just ignore that. We have the post, all right? So the post is just like if you want to, we want to start building websites using the WordPress, WordPress itself. So we won't be doing that at all. So this media is if you want to add any media to your to your WordPress. So just come here to click on add new and you can select files. Then you can go over and you start uploading any file you want to upload, whether image or video that you want to install on your website. So we have pages. Now we talked about these pages. We said website is a collection of different web pages, right? So this is where we have all these pages. So if you click on all pages, it will show you all the pages that is live on your website. All right. So whether the home page or any of the pages that you see on each and every website that you visited before. So whether the home page or the about page or a thank you page, any of these pages, you will see them right here, which you can easily click and edit each and every one of them. You can see we have the edit button, quick edit, trash. You can delete them. All right. Or even preview and see what's the page about. All right. So that's that about that. Then we have the comments, we have the appearance. So this appearance, is where you can add different WordPress themes. All right. So if you click on themes, for example, we are going to see each and every different. This is the one that's currently installed on our WordPress website right now. And we can, activate any of these. All right. So if I click on these and just activate this, for example, you can see we have different settings that has popped up again. We have the customize widgets, menu, background, and this. So this is used to customize our WordPress more, the WordPress preset template. But we won't be using WordPress because we'll be using another plugin that will actually give us additional functionality, sweet templates that we can use to design our WordPress websites without coding, without any coding. We use templates to maneuver our way to start developing a professional WordPress website. All right. So then what we have to do next, what we have here next is the plugin. All right. So plugins is just a feature that is very, very important on your WordPress website or your WordPress dashboard, in which you can use to add more functionality to your website. So this has three subcategories, which is the installed plugins, add new, and plugin file editor. So you can install new plugins, all right, and you can add new, all right. So there are two ways you can add plugins to your website, all right. So the first way is by manually adding it. So you go to your creators, any of these creators plugin websites. So you go and pay for any plugin that you want to use, all right. So make sure you are safe out there, because if you install just any plugin, it can damage your website. So be careful with the kind of plugins that you install on your website. So once you have your once you have your plugin, so then you can add a new plugin. So by manually just if you click on add new right now, all right, you can see we can now upload plugins right here, and you choose the file right here. When you click on choose file, then you select the file and you upload the plugin. All right. So, but if you want to just maybe it's just a free plugin, you come over here and search for the plugins. Yes. All right. So then also we have the installed plugins. This is where you check the plugins that are already installed on your WordPress. All right. So so we'll be installing two plugins for this tutorial. All right. So we'll be installing a starter template. Click on add new, right, and come to the search bar right here, and you just want to click on search starter. So, and it's going to search it. So this is it. So this will give us access to sweet templates that we can use to build our website. All right. So we want to click on install now. I want to click on install now, and you can see it's installed. And it is installed. Once you are finished once you finish installation, you just want to click on activate, and boom. So once you finish installing, so you can see it's now active. Actually, it's active. So you just want to come back and come over here again. You need to install another plugin called Beaver. So actually, there is a pro version of this Beaver plugins in which I will be using. So let me edit that. So you want to search for Beaver Builder. So this is the one we'll be using. Actually, this is just the free version. You can use the free version, but I will be using the pro version. All right. So I have the pro version. I'm going to just upload it right here. So I'm going to click on upload plugin and choose file. Then come over here and click on install now. And as you can see, it's saying the uploaded file is the upload maximum file. So how do we fix this? All right. So if you're getting this issue, so you don't have to worry. All you have to do to fix this issue is to come over here and click on add new. All right. Then you want to search for Tuxedo. All right. So you can see here. So we have, I think this is the one we are increase maximum file upload size. So you can click on install. All right. So click on install, and it is installed. Then we click on activate. Then once you've activated the plugin, so you can come over to settings and come over to big file uploads. And as you can see right here, you can now increase your file uploads right here. So, and I'm just gonna click, I'm gonna click on maybe like 500 MB right here. So then you're going to click on save. So as you can see, the settings is saved. You have to log into your Cpanel, and you have to click on login. So you want to go to the file manager, and so then you have to make sure you click on this public HTML. All right. So public HTML, then we have to create a new file. All right. Then you click on this, create a new file right here, and you name it. You have to name it php.ini. All right. So, and after that, you click on create new file. And as you can see, this is the file that we have just created. So then just click on, so then just right click on this and click on edit, and you just click on edit, right? And then you just want to paste in this code right here. So I'm gonna leave the code in the description that you can use, right? I'm gonna leave the code in the description, I'm just gonna click on save changes right here. All right, so as you can see, set sources. All right, so once you are done, just close. So just come back to your cPanel, and just scroll down. So what you simply want to do is just to come over here and set this. This is 50 MB. Can set it to like 500. Then apply. Then let's just go back to our WordPress and just refresh this. And as you can see, it is now installing the plugin easily after we've gone through all those stuff. So then once it's done, I'm gonna click on activate plugin. All right, I'm gonna activate the plugin, and as you can see, we have our plugin successfully installed. Now that we have the two plugins successfully installed, then we need to check on the next tools right here. You can see we have the Beaver Builder right here in this section. So, and that's all the interface you need to know about WordPress. All right, in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you guys the segments of the website, and we'll start building our website gradually. So I remain the mayor concept, and I'll see you in the next lesson.